Welcome to Shortview Trading. This is your 1 minute market hit for Monday the 27th of January. What matters for traders today and this week? So coronavirus fears are gripping market participants. We saw that weakness on Friday in the States into the close there, with that continuing overnight in the Asian trading session. As the chart shows you now, the S&P is about 70 odd points off from its highs later in last week. So the key question now is, should one panic as a trader, or is this an opportunity to buy a dip? 3 points worth noting in that respect. One, our models have been moving pretty quickly. Our short-term 1 to 2 week risk appetite models are back on buy, moving towards strong buy. We're showing you RAG 2 now. Secondly, market participants have been quick to buy downside put protection to hedge themselves to the downside. And looking at the put to call ratio chart now, the 1 day underlying index has moved pretty sharply on Friday. That will no doubt have moved further overnight in the Asian trading session. And then third key point is really markets are now oversold in the short term. So whether you're looking at the S&P using current live prices, it's pretty oversold in the short term, or indeed other indices, oil, some of the Japanese equity markets and so on. So markets are oversold. 3 key reasons really just to be cautious here about jumping on the short side. Now, we always like to know that sell-offs tend to occur in 3-wave patterns. You get your first initial sharp down wave, then you get a little bit of a relief rally whereby you retrace some of those losses, and then a third wave lower. So there's every chance we may settle here, bounce for a little bit for a few days, and then some further downside from there. So full information, full detail on that in today's daily rag, available on the website to subscribers. So what are we watching this week? What's likely to be pertinent in the front of traders' minds as the week goes through? Well, of course, firstly, US quarterly earnings. 145 S&P 500 companies reporting this week, and including in particular big tech companies, Apple, Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, all reporting this week, as well as 1 or 2 other key names like General Electric. So secondly, over and above that, there's 2 key central banks across the globe having meetings this week. The Fed on Wednesday, the Bank of England on Thursday. Nothing is expected to change at the Fed. There's also a press conference, 7:30 p.m. London time, after the announcement at 7 p.m, but no key changes expected there. The Bank of England may well cut though on Thursday. That could be quite interesting. Market participants will be watching that one closely. And then thirdly, lots of macro data out across the week, particularly in the States. We've got durable goods orders. We've got some housing data to see if that housing uptrend is continuing. Then we've got US fourth quarter GDP on Thursday, Chicago PMI on Friday, as well as core PCE inflation. So there's all of that out the States. We've got a lot of European data as well, including IFO, Eurozone fourth quarter GDP, flash PMI, and so on, and little bits and pieces out of Asia. So that's it from us. Lots to focus on this week. That's your 1 minute market hit for Monday the 27th of January. Please do subscribe on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, or Twitter. Thank you.